So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and click on enter. And now you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to click on this PC. And then once you run this, you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You want to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then click on Tools, and then click on Check, and then click on Scan Drive. You want to run the scan. So you want to run both of these scans right here. And then once both these scans have been completed, both the error checking and the DISM one in command prompt, now for the third step, you want to head over to search and type in Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to click on Restart Now. If the scans that you did earlier are not completed, then you want to wait for it to be completed and then click on Restart Now. Now it's going to restart computer. Keep on watching the video. And now it's going to take us into here. You want to run this last final scan. By the way, sometimes the scan may pause and it might seem like it's not running, but the scan is still going to be running. So just wait for this to be completed, and then it will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.